Did he scare you, buddy? All right. Good morning, YouTube.
I saw you, dude.
So, I don't know if I recapped last time. So this is a triple cap, I guess. We are now finished with the garage. Dan's making noise. Don't be dropping those. That's a flat tire.
The screw that went down the ground?
Yeah.
Better have a rock over that before.
Okay, so again, don't know what we recapped, but we got the garage floor done. It looks really nice. We, come on, Gimbal, work with me. We got the joists in, and they're all secured to the wall on that ledger on that side, except for those two, which actually set into the new concrete wall. So they actually set in the little pockets. Spinning on around, we already looked at the beam, and there's the beam sitting in its pocket. Spinning on around more, and all of that wall, since that was new concrete wall, we could actually make the beam pockets and set those in there. So the reason that we didn't do the beam pockets on here and actually went ahead and put the LVL on was because we have a beam pocket, or an I-joist pocket I should say, on the other side of that wall for the inside of the house. And putting those back to back, I think, would have been a little much. We'd only had a tiny sliver of concrete in the middle, if anything. And so I decided that it was a better idea to just go ahead and put the ledger on and hang it from there. So yeah, we got that done. We got the first layer of roof on with the ice and water shield, the peel and stick. And then we got the front porch done. And so now we're ready to start after we get our scaffolding tore off, which is what Dan's working on today. He's taking off the safety railing, and then we're going to be pulling up the floor decking and then using the tractor and bucket to get everything else done. So we got the front porch done. That'll be 2 feet farther out by the time we get our rafter tails on. And speaking of rafter tails, we have a whole trailer full of, one of these days, once I get over here, whole trailer full of 2x6s that will get cut in half. And then, so each of those will get cut in half. They're 10 foot, so that'll leave 5 feet. That means I'll have 3 foot on, get you out of the sun, 3 foot on and 2 foot sticking off. And then they will have a 2x4 screwed to the bottom edge of them on edge, so that the total width will come up from 5.5 plus 3.5. So we got 9 inches plus 7/16, because we got to account for our decking to make everything work on the width. You'll see that when we get, excuse me, when we get to it. And so those then get screwed to the top of the roof. Then our foam goes down over that, and then we have some 2x4s to hold on flat to hold the foam on, and then all of that will get another deck of roof on it. So I think I've talked about that on some previous videos. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at. So that'll allow us to get the metal roof on after that, and then start getting our windows in so that we can get this thing buttoned up, hopefully before too far into winter. So that's the next big ticket items. Also is the roof and the insulation. We bought some of the insulation, but we still have more to get. Radar, what do you got under there? You think you got something under there? I bet there's not. You think there's a mouse under there? Go get it. Get the mouse. Get the mouse. Get it. Get it. Get it. Huh? Get it, buddy. Get it. Where'd it go? You're a nut, buddy. Okay. I'm gonna try to do a time lapse. We'll put you over here on the trailer. We still have the trailer over here. We used it to get the OSB that we put on the roof, and then we unhooked it, and then Dad got back and stole his truck. stole his truck. Stole, oh, hang on. Radar was moving lumber. It was cute. He tears all kinds of shit up trying to get to mine. Anyway, so Dad stole his truck back and the trailer's been sitting here. So we need to get it out of here before somebody backs into it. We parked right there. I can just see somebody going crunch right into the nose of that because they forgot. Anyway, okay, time lapse. Here we go.